Hi everyone, this is Aina from TrueSight Gadgets, and this time we are here with the product Apple AirPods Pro. I know this product has launched long back, but since we have got new firmware update followed by iOS 14, we are going to cover all the new features and performance in this video. Also, we will see how to identify real and fake AirPods Pro. So stay tuned with us. Apple AirPods Pro comes in the range of $250 or around 25,000 in Indian currency, and no doubt these AirPods Pro have awesome sound quality and meet all the best sound standards. If I talk about the shape of these Apple AirPods Pro, we all know that it's a bit different than its previous version. It has a button on its stem which activates your noise cancellation, which activates Siri and help in changing music tracks, etc. The design of these AirPods are really cool since these are small and easily fit to your ears. If you listen music for long hours, it's absolutely possible with these AirPods Pro. There are no discomforts. It is also IPX4 certified, which means that these AirPods Pro are sweat proof. During unboxing, you'll be getting one lightning cable, ear tips with the different sizes, and very stylish AirPods Pro case. It also has a wireless charging which gives you 24 hours of the usage. And the one cool thing is that you can choose the size of ear tip as per your requirements. So there's a feature called Ear Tip Fit Wizard feature, and you can choose the size with the help of that, which I think again it's a very cool because other brands don't have it. So people really look forward about new features or techniques Apple launches in its new product. It's like what new this time, and people do look forward towards the Apple products because of its supreme quality. And this time Apple has launched a new feature called Spatial Audio feature, which will give you theater-like sound experience when you're watching videos or movies. So let's discuss about this new feature of Spatial Audio feature which has given in iPhone. So you need to turn this icon on for Spatial Audio feature, and let's go to settings and connect the AirPods Pro with the Bluetooth. So I'll click here and it get connected, and now I'll scroll down and find the option of Spatial Audio. So here you can see here you always need to turn this feature on. Clicking on the link given down, you can see here a Spatial Audio button is given, so you need to tap here and you will get the immersive sound experience with the help of this feature. And you can also find the button in blue color, so click on this button if you want to use the feature with the videos as well. To boosting the bass in these Apple AirPods Pro, you can download one app which I would definitely recommend you. We have done a couple of researches and finally found the good one. This is Boom Bass Booster app. So you can download this app from the App Store, install it, and actually feel the difference to the music you listen. So here we are with the Boom Bass Booster app, which we have already downloaded and installed in our mobile. So this is basically to boost your bass in Apple AirPods Pro. So let's open this app and jump to the settings directly. So here is the setting option, and yes, and you can choose the product what you are using with this app, and I'll go with the Apple AirPods Pro in this app. And let's see what changes need to be done here. So you can see here the icon. You always need to turn this icon on of Boom Bass app. Also you can see here the 3D surround button which is given. Keep that on and customize the presets which is given here. So you can see here the different 3D surround controls which has been given, which is showing on the screen. So you need to tap on it and set it as per your requirements, which will definitely boost your bass and give you the best 3D experience. Here this is the equalizer presets which is given to enhance your sound quality, and here is a premium user subscription what we have bought. So if you really like the trial version of this Boom Bass Booster app, you can definitely go and purchase this premium subscription, and after doing all the settings you can really enjoy listening music with the help of this app. So before jumping to the comparison of real versus fake AirPods Pro, I want to discuss about how to improve the sound quality and how to boost the bass in these AirPods Pro. So to improve the sound quality, you can use the Apple Music app and you can customize the equalizer presets given under the music settings. Now the other alternative is to use a music app which is given in your iPhone. You can use this app to better the sound quality, and so you need to go to the settings here and find the music app. And yes, we've got it. So open this, and you always need to disable the sound check option over here. So yeah, keep this disabled always. And let's go to the EQ here. So again, you will get here so many equalizer presets, so you can choose it and you will really find the difference in your music quality after doing these changes. Try, and I'm sure you'll thank me later for this awesome cool tip, and let me know in the comment section if you really like its benefits. If you're planning to buy Apple AirPods Pro, then there are high chances of you getting tricked with its duplicate version. And this generally happens when you buy the product from online stores with great discounts. So let me tell you one thing, that the duplicate version of Apple AirPods Pro looks very similar to the original one, and the clone product comes in the range of $20 to $40, whereas the actual AirPods Pro comes in the range of $250. So if you're actually planning to buy the original AirPods Pro, then it is very necessary to know the details of original and fake AirPods Pro. So let's see the comparison. So here we have a brand new Apple AirPods Pro in our hands, and we are going to unbox this one. So here, this is an instruction manual written, designed by Apple in California. And so actually this is the original AirPods Pro, cost $250, and we are really excited to unbox this one. So my friend is going to show you how does it look from inside. And this is a button to pair the case, and coming to its front section, you can see here the LED blinking on its front. The curved structure looks really cool, and this is the Apple AirPods Pro, what my friend is holding in his hands. And so it does look a bit different from its previous version though, but so this is a stem part where on tapping it will activate all the features which is given in Apple AirPods Pro. Coming to next, there is a lightning cable given, which Apple gives to its customer for a charge. So the one end is a lightning cable port and the other end is the Type-C port. Yes, this one. And going down, we have this ear tips with the different sizes, which again is very much cool. I've already discussed in the video that there is a feature called Ear Tip Fit Wizard. With the help of that, you can choose your own ear tip size, and which is very unique and none of the brand has given yet. So we really enjoyed doing the unboxing of this AirPods Pro. So I'm going to compare the fake and the original AirPods Pro cases. The black one is definitely the fake one, which we have taken for the reference, and the white one is the actual AirPods Pro case. So you can see both of them look very much similar, and it's very hard to figure out the difference between the fake and the original one. But though if you look, if you notice there's the curved structure, then there is this LED on the case which looks a bit brighter than the fake one, and there is a button for pairing. But in the fake one, the dimensions are a bit smaller of the case, and the curved structure is also a bit different, which will help you to figure out the difference. So here I'm going to compare the ear tips of both the AirPods Pro, the fake and the original one, and you can see the difference that the conical part of the white one, which is the actual one, is a bit bigger than the fake one, the black one, which would help you differentiate the fake and original. So here I am with the real versus fake, and the fake one is no doubt the black one, which is a bit lighter than the original AirPods Pro. The structure of both the AirPods Pro, real and the fake one, look very much similar, but the touch sensor of the fake AirPods Pro doesn't work that smartly, and the fake AirPods Pro don't support noise cancellation at all, but they do have the decent sound quality. So yeah, fake AirPods Pro have the fair sound quality, which I really appreciate in this price range, but there is no match with the actual AirPods Pro. The original AirPods Pro are best in the market at this moment. AirPods Pro have the awesome sound quality and all the features work amazingly, which I doubt would not be there in the fake AirPods Pro. So in conclusion, if you cannot afford the Apple AirPods Pro because it's a bit expensive, then you can definitely purchase the clone of AirPods Pro because it's very much cheaper and you can create a buzz around, show off to your friends. But if you're really looking for excellent sound quality, then you should definitely purchase the original AirPods Pro and it would give you the best sound experience. So in nutshell, avoid buying Apple AirPods Pro from the online stores which are giving deep discounts. But if you're still planning to buy a product from the online store, then there are few things which will help you to differentiate the real and the original product, which is noise cancellation operation, a few differences in instruction manual, LED intensity, case dimensions, etc. And we would always recommend you to buy the product from apple.com website or Apple Store, and that would be pretty much reliable. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please share, subscribe and like our channel and press the bell icon for all the future updates. Here's your host China Thakur signing off, and we'll be meeting soon in our next video.